on. Okay, I'm playing against Master Chester who is also streaming. You can check out his channel. Okay, whatever streamers. I have Black. Okay, let's play knight f6, bishop 6, knight c3, bishop h4, so I can just play d5. I can just do bishop 7. Let's say it's attacking my bishop. It's castle. c5 here. Take. f6. Take here. Tap knight. Should I get? I can get knight at the time of this point. Nice. Then I have a bishop there. Okay, take. Take here. Check. Give it check. Play here or here. Develop bishop and active square. See. It's playing white force. Here. The plug is slightly better because I have the bishop here. Okay. Maybe here take. Oh, I can just move here. Okay, let's protect. I do play faster. Take, check. Okay, here, okay. Take here. Here. This one is play 6 for I'm running time. I need to play faster. Okay, check. Check. Blended here. Check. Check. Take a look. Then I pick up the rope thing here. Check. Pick the rope. I stay around 1 minute. Okay. GG also just with her, but he still could have continued the game. Let's see if I solve this. But nice game. Six, fine, here, success, fine, take. He made this mistake, I think. D takes c5 here is better. Also for took here, which is an accurate. D takes c5, D takes c4, bishop takes, D take d1, D take d1, bishop takes c5. And it seems, yes, black is slightly worse. Yeah, 6. White has more activity. But still, it's on well. But white here is a favorite. So he took here because you don't take a bishop for an knight, because in a bishop is better than a knight. So I took, he takes, because maybe he misses this, I can take it back with a knight. Take, he takes d5. After doing again, yes, black is slightly better. With here, this took here, take, we will check, bishop f5, castle, c8, oops, sorry about that, c8, I was just activating the rope. Here is limited rule, bishop h4, trying to get this bishop, and we can increase the pressure on this pawn. Okay, yeah, take, took, okay. And yes, black is side betting. C8, take P1, between this, and after bishop take, five foot, queen takes, this pawn is falling. But actually this bishop takes, and the pawn is lost, but it's okay. Yeah, taking my pawn is a mistake because of rook c2. Let's see what we can take. We can just take here. Take queen c6. And black is still better. Okay. Take queen d6. Just take here, I take here. And here it was just equal. I did not play accurately, that's my small advantage. And it was playing quite fast actually. Yeah, at a minute 400. So queen b6 here, protecting this pawn. This pawn is attacked. I don't want to take queen b6 when I got double pawn. Here I'm slightly worse. Let's play b6, okay. We got his rook, take queen here, just make something low. Play d3. Trade, queen here, okay, king at 7. Okay, he need to trade here. Take, take, and here's a point up. Here, check. Into two, here. And this is worse for black. One point down. Is 6. Just trying to trade. Let's walk it. Cannot take because then he can take my queen. And here, just play king at 7. And he blended with queen takes pawn, protecting the or taking a pawn, trying not to trade materials, but you can just check, and then check, and pick the rook up. He resigned here, but here, just give it a check, king h2, queen here. You could have wait to see if I see the move. Then king h3, and rook c8, then queen takes, go for winning. And I'm up a rook. I did good game by me. I was playing quite slowly. Great fight.